Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest in business and financial news. Today, we delve into a compelling investment opportunity in the life sciences sector with a focus on Outlook Therapeutics. Our comprehensive analysis reveals that this small-cap stock holds significant promise for investors seeking exposure to the dynamic biopharmaceutical industry. In this executive report, we'll cover three critical aspects of Outlook Therapeutics, examining the recent commercial launch of its innovative product, the company's strategic outlook over the next 5 years, and our calculated discounted cash flow valuation, highlighting the potential returns this investment could yield. Let's start with the first aspect, the recent commercial launch of Lytenava. In a significant stride towards establishing itself in the market, Outlook Therapeutics has officially announced the commercial launch of Lytenava, which is also known as bevacizumab. This product is now available in Germany and the United Kingdom for the treatment of wet age-related macular degeneration, commonly referred to as wet AMD. The European Commission and the UK's MHRA have granted Lytenava 10 years of market exclusivity, which is a testament to its pioneering position as the first approved ophthalmic formulation of bevacizumab. The significance of this approval cannot be overstated. For many years, bevacizumab has been used off-label by retina specialists for the treatment of wet AMD. However, this new development marks the first time that a standardized, quality-assured, and safety-compliant version of bevacizumab has been made available for ophthalmic use. Now let's move on to the second aspect, our strategic outlook for the next 5 years. Outlook Therapeutics is poised to make significant strides in the coming years. With the European launch as a foundation, the company is strategically focused on 3 key milestones that will shape its trajectory. These milestones include securing FDA approval and commencing U.S. commercialization, which is expected by late 2026, filing in China and engaging with the Chinese regulatory authorities in 2027, and broadening its distribution network through collaborations such as the one with Cencora, a leading ophthalmic commercial organization. These strategic initiatives will not only expand Outlook Therapeutics' geographic reach, but also enhance its operational efficiency and market penetration. Notably, the company's partnership with Cencora is a strategic move to leverage Cencora's extensive experience and expertise in the ophthalmic market. This collaboration is expected to play a pivotal role in driving the adoption of Lytenava. Now let's address the question on everyone's minds. What does the future hold for OTLK, the stock price? To answer this, we present our 5-year stock valuation forecast for Outlook Therapeutics. Our analysis indicates that the stock price has the potential to grow exponentially over the next 5 years. Based on our calculations, the company's stock could appreciate between $9.80 and $19.40 per share by 2029. This growth is driven by several factors, including the successful commercialization of Lytenava, the company's strategic partnerships, and the overall growth potential of the ophthalmic biologics market. To arrive at these figures, we conducted a rigorous discounted cash flow analysis taking into account various financial projections, market conditions, and risk factors. Our base case projection suggests that the stock could reach $15.25 per share by 2029, representing a significant increase from its current levels. However, we recognize that there are both upside and downside risks to our forecast. In a bull case scenario, where global approvals are secured and Lytenava experiences rapid uptake, the stock could soar to $19.40 per share. On the other hand, in a bear case scenario, if there are delays in FDA or China approval, or if reimbursement rates are lower than expected, the stock could trade around $9.80. Now let's examine some key metrics that support our bullish outlook. Firstly, the market outlook for anti-VEGF therapies is exceptionally promising. Currently valued in the billions globally, wet AMD treatments account for a substantial share of the market. Moreover, approximately 2.8 million bevacizumab injections are administered off-label each year in Europe alone. This highlights the immense potential for Lytenava, which offers a standardized and cost-effective alternative to existing therapies. Furthermore, the competitive landscape presents an opportunity for Outlook Therapeutics. While there are several anti-VEGF therapies available, each has its own limitations in terms of cost, efficacy, or dosing frequency. Lytenava's favorable cost-benefit profile and proven clinical efficacy make it a compelling choice for both healthcare providers and patients. Finally, it is worth noting that analysts are generally optimistic about the prospects for Outlook Therapeutics. Most models assign a 12-month price target above $10 per share, contingent upon FDA approval and positive sales traction in Europe. In conclusion, Outlook Therapeutics is at a pivotal inflection point with the launch of Lytenava. The company has the potential to reshape the ophthalmic biologics market by introducing a regulation-first approach to an off-label incumbent. While near-term risks related to liquidity and market penetration persist, the 5-year horizon holds significant promise. Assuming proper execution, the stock could appreciate 7 to 9x from current levels driven by global expansion, improved margins, and regulatory leverage. Investors should closely monitor FDA timelines, reimbursement adoption, and China pipeline progress to gauge long-term value. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this executive report and found it insightful, please remember to stay tuned for more updates. We look forward to keeping you informed with our latest findings and analysis.